So we're gonna race two of the same controller cars. We're gonna race an F1 car and a Lamborghini.
Yeah.
Ow. Just stepped on a stone. Just stepped on a stone.
Right. We get the lap about it. Alright, don't start yet. 3, 2, 1, go. What are you doing now, Pete?
Hey,
It's a big car. And it's so powerful because it's got a big battery. Happy? It takes a lot of action to these.
again.
Oh, bring it out.
On grass, it's not the fastest. These are his cars, by the way.
Yeah, bring him out the grass. We're doing right here. I'm doing a race right here. Alright, on your marks, get set, go! That's not taking it. Alright.
To put it there.
There you go. And it's facing that way then. Bring the cars that way again. Alright, 3, 2, 1, go.
Did you record it?
Yeah, it's still recording. Mind that bumper, because on the Formula 1 car. 3, 2, 1, go.
I still won. Even with the head start. Even with the head start, I still won.
Right, yeah, because Formula 1 car's cleared out battery. Dead now. Dead. There you go. Yeah, it's dead now. There you go. It's done.
And that's it for the car. The cars.
Yeah,
video.
right. Yeah, put them up here.
Thank you for watching, and remember, Mighty Morphin Power Rangers, Green Rangers, and all that. May Tommy Oliver, Jason David Frank, may the power protect him always.
Yeah, and choose what RC car. Do you like the Formula 1 car or the Lambo better? Alright, on enough. Stop recording now. Like and subscribe and comment down below.
Who do you think, what cars do you think we should buy next? And if we get enough likes and comments on this video, we will buy 2 more cars.
That's it.
And race those, and we will net the most like comment on this video. I shall choose and say hey to on the next video. Bye.